The pin machine tibialis raise on the lying leg curl trains the tibialis. This is the largest muscle on the front of our shins. To set up, there are two adjustments to make on the machine. Firstly, adjust the sundial, which will determine your range of motion. Typically, this will be on the lowest setting. Secondly, adjust the shin roller so that it rests on the upper surface of your foot, closer toward your toes. Next, sit on the edge of the machine with the back of your calf anchored against the seat. And lastly, grab onto the seat, actively pulling yourself down. For the action, on the concentric, simply point your toes up, raising them to the sky. Pause for a second at the top, feeling a good squeeze in the front of your shin. On the eccentric, point your toes down with control and pause at the bottom, making sure you feel a good stretch in the front of your shin. For proper alignment, simply keep your ankles, knees, and hips in a straight line.